First today, new developments regarding a Bitcoin data center in Washington County, Tennessee that's causing a lot of noise.
And literally, it has been at the center of noise complaints by neighbors for months. They're telling us about that loud hum they keep hearing from that data center. Bright Ridge owns the property. They sell power to Red Dog Technologies. That company runs the Bitcoin mining operation. Washington County, Tennessee filed suit against both parties, saying that data mine that processes complex math equations for cryptocurrency transactions violates the zoning ordinance.
Ashley Sharp has the latest from court today. She joins us now in our studio. Ashley?
Josh, Sarah, the main question in court today, does this Bitcoin data center in Limestone violate the zoning ordinance? Does it qualify as a public utility? While attorneys for both sides battled in court, the judge made his final decision on the matter. However, because of a last-minute appeal, the case continues.
This current use is not a use that is permitted.
Attorneys for Washington County, Tennessee argued in court today the definition of a public utility does not include a Bitcoin data center like the one in question in Limestone.
This is a profit-making venture that is there to make profit, that according to them makes a lot of profit, and it is not providing a public service in the context of this zoning resolution.
Attorney for Bright Ridge, Steve DARDEN, argued the opposite, that it is a public utility.
This is a service to the public because it facilitates the ability of those who wish to transact business using Bitcoin to do so. And that's an ever-growing public service, Your Honor.
Chancellor John Rambo ruled today on the side of the county, saying the noisy data center does violate the zoning ordinance.
We're thrilled with the ruling, of course, and glad that this part of the case has been decided.
However, it can continue to operate, at least for now. Chancellor Rambo allowed attorneys for Bright Ridge and Red Dog Technologies to appeal his decision, a process that could now take another year to complete.
The people in the Limestone area have been living with this unpermitted use in their area, in their community, for over 300 days.
This is why the county will seek a bond hearing, meaning payment would be required if the Bitcoin mine stays up and running during the appeal. A date has not yet been set for that bond hearing. The attorneys for Washington County maintain their position is that they want this Bitcoin mine shut down. Josh?
All right, Ashley, thank you very much. We spoke with neighbors of the Bitcoin mining operation. They're the ones who've been dealing with that excessive noise about today's ruling.
It seems like they're playing catch-up and asking for forgiveness instead of permission. You know, this should have all been taken care of long before this place was built.
This is a complex legal case. You could read more about the case with background and today's ruling, also where it goes from here on WJHL.com.